Oh na na, bum 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 boy. Oh na na, na 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 na. Oh na na, bum 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 boy. Oh na na, na 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 na.
Hey you guys, it's me, Jess. Thanks for coming to check out this video. Let's jump right into this new hair. So this hair is the MyTresses hair from Outre. It's the natural body and it is in 16, 18, and 20, and it does have a 3x6 deep lace closure. The closure was probably my least favorite part of the hair. The bundles were absolutely gorgeous and there was enough hair for me to create a very full looking unit. This is in the natural black color. I did create the wig using a spandex dome cap, and I just went ahead and glued my tracks using 30-second bonding glue to create this wig, and I did sew the closure on. So then I went ahead and I added my contacts in, you guys. I could not see for nothing. So I had to put those on. But yeah, I blew out the hair with my blow dryer, and then I went ahead and pin curled it, and I used a little bit of hairspray to just hold the curls, and then my big bobby pins. The hair is extremely soft and very healthy. It's very thick from the top all the way to the root, and you can tell that these bundles will last you a nice long time. This hair can be bleached, it can be dyed, it can be colored, and they say that you can achieve a very bright honey golden blonde color when you bleach it. So this hair is really, really gorgeous, and this one pack solution definitely does work. Like I said, I wasn't crazy about the closure, but the bundles were absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the hair holds a curl really, really beautifully. I went ahead and added some shine spray from the Dew. You can't find that at Target. And then I just finger combed the hair out. I styled it a little bit. I added a little bit of edge control and a little bit of powder concealer in the part. To correct the closure, I just added concealer. I could have flat ironed it down so that it laid a little flatter, but you know, it worked out fine, and I think this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I will leave links in the information bar down below where you can grab this hair. You can get it from samsbeauty.com, so definitely go ahead and check that out. I do believe it's available in other lengths as well. So yeah, I'll leave all that information in the bar below. If you have questions for me, definitely leave them in the comments and I will get back to you. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and make sure you're also checking me out on my events page, which is Melanin Classic. I do have a hair slaying happy hour coming up, which is on June 18th in the DC area. So if you are around, I will leave a link to the Eventbrite so you can grab your tickets. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned to the end because I got some slow-mos for you guys.